What up, people of YouTube? So, this is early afternoon, but it could quite easily be 7 o'clock at night. Everybody's got their lights on. And no, it's not raining. That's the smoke in the sky. Some people don't seem too fussed about that though. It's cat's life, eh? Mr. Moggy. He's got his go away head on. Meanwhile, on the last episode, I think you spotted me finding out why the bike had overheated. Now I'm going to have to put that down there. Stay there, because I need to know. Oh no, if I do that, there's no way of doing this easily. Let's just hold it out there like that, and there you go. Normally I've got to self-focus it, but it's auto-focused. See that big patch at the top there? Yeah, that big bold patch at the top is where the chrome's disappeared from the bore because it's overheated, leaving me with a scagged up piston. So I was pulling the engine down anyway, hopefully to just put new seals in it and whatever else it needed, but it's become apparent now that it needs everything, so we might as well give it everything. So yeah, that's pretty much all that's left of it at the moment. That and a new colour scheme, etch primer olive. So while we wait for that lot to harden off, I've got $300 or $400 worth of parts winging their way over from Japan. There's all new old stock stuff as well. Stuff that everybody else, including the internet experts, say is not available anymore. It is when you know what you're doing and who you're contacting. So we'll just wait for that lot to get here, and then we'll splash a bit of paint on it later then.